How to add hyperlinks in PDF files. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open a browser. Okay, so first step, we need to log in with our Gmail ID, with your Gmail ID. First log in with your Gmail ID, then we need to go Google Drive. Okay, so we are going to use Google Drive to insert the the external link into your PDF text. Okay, so here what you need to do, you need to upload the PDF file from your device. You can go here in file upload option and find that PDF file, and you can simply upload from here. Okay, after upload you will see the file here which is which you uploaded, and just open it. Just right click on it and open with Google Docs. So it will be takes few seconds to open. Yeah, it has opened now. After just open it, now you can edit it in Google Docs. So just select the text where you want to insert the hyperlinks. You can click on this insert hyperlinks and just type the hyperlink like this. Okay, you can insert like copy paste also. I just type the YouTube. The hyperlink has been inserted. Now just go to the file, go to the download as a PDF again. So it will be download as a PDF again. So just open it. So it has opened now, and you can see the hyperlink has been inserted here. So if somebody click on this hyperlink, so it is very useful to go to the external source, and it's make your PDF file more informative. So that is how you can insert the hyperlinks in PDF file. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.